to choose between post and candid wedding photography and videography. And which one is right for you? Well, first of all, there are a lot of different styles out there, and that's absolutely true. What we do most often with our couples is a balance 50 to 50. That means 50% of the time we guide you into beautiful poses and cinematic moments, and 50% of the time we simply let things unfold naturally, capturing the real, emotional, spontaneous moments. Because your wedding day isn't a stage shoot, it's a day you want to live, enjoy, and experience fully with the people you love. And at the same time, we want to help you get timeless, elegant images you'll want to keep forever. By the way, if this feels helpful so far, leave a comment and give the video a like. It helps us to know what topics are helpful, and we love hearing your thoughts. Now, something we hear a lot from couples is, "We love your work, but we are not models." Totally understandable. And the good news is you don't have to be. Our photographers and videographers will help you through the process, gently guiding you so that everything feels natural. Nothing awkward, nothing forced, just small tips and support when it's needed. We truly want you to feel like yourselves, because that's what makes the best photos and videos. If you'd like to go over all of this in more detail, how you see your day, what kind of moments you care most about, and how comfortable you feel on camera, we usually talk through all of that during a free consultation. It's a great way to make sure I have all of the info to build a perfect package for you. And by the way, when you book your wedding package with photo and video with us, you'll also receive a complimentary engagement session as a gift. It's not just a bonus, it's actually a great way to get used to the camera before your big day. We'll explore both post and candid moments together, so when the wedding comes, you'll feel totally relaxed and confident.